Microsoft just acquired Activision Blizzard, the game publisher behind some of the most popular and iconic franchises in the industry, such as Call of Duty, Warcraft, Diablo, Overwatch, and Candy Crush. This is a massive deal that'll have a huge impact on the gaming world and the future of gaming as we know it. In this video, we'll tell you everything you need to know about this acquisition, why it happened, what it means for gamers and developers, and how it will change the gaming industry forever. So without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, let's talk about the details of the deal. Microsoft announced on January 18, 2022 that they have agreed to buy Activision Blizzard for $95 per share in an all-cash transaction valued at $68.7 billion, as televised on NBC News. This is the biggest acquisition in the history of gaming, and one of the biggest in the tech industry overall. To put it in perspective, this is more than double the amount that Disney paid for Star Wars and Marvel combined. Microsoft will become the third largest gaming company by revenue in the world, behind Tencent and Sony. The deal was later completed on October 13, 2023 after getting approval from regulators and shareholders. So why did Microsoft decide to buy Activision Blizzard? Well, there are several reasons for this move. One of them is to boost their gaming business across mobile, PC, console, and cloud. Microsoft owns the Xbox gaming console, which competes with Sony's PlayStation and Nintendo Switch. However, Xbox has been lagging behind PlayStation in terms of sales and market share for years. By acquiring Activision Blizzard, Microsoft will gain access to some of the most popular and profitable games in the industry, such as Call of Duty, which is the best-selling game franchise of all time. Microsoft will also be able to leverage Activision Blizzard's expertise in mobile gaming, which is the fastest-growing segment of gaming. Activision Blizzard owns King, the developer of Candy Crush Saga, which is also one of the most successful mobile games ever. Another reason for Microsoft's acquisition is to strengthen its subscription service Xbox Game Pass. Xbox Game Pass is a service that allows gamers to play hundreds of games for a monthly fee on Xbox consoles, PCs, and mobile devices via cloud streaming. Microsoft has been investing heavily in Xbox Game Pass as a way to attract more gamers and generate recurring revenue. By adding Activision Blizzard's games to Xbox Game Pass, Microsoft will be able to offer more value and variety to their subscribers and potentially lure away some PlayStation fans. The third reason for Microsoft's acquisition is to prepare for the future of gaming and the metaverse. The metaverse is a term that refers to a virtual world where people can interact with each other and create their own experiences using digital technology. Microsoft has been one of the leading companies in developing the metaverse vision, with products like Minecraft, HoloLens, and Azure Cloud Platform. By acquiring Activision Blizzard, Microsoft will be able to tap into its rich portfolio of games and characters that can be used to create immersive and engaging metaverse experiences. For example, imagine playing World of Warcraft or Overwatch in virtual reality with your friends from around the world. So far so good for Microsoft, but what about Activision Blizzard? Why did they agree to sell their company to Microsoft? Well, Activision Blizzard has been facing some serious challenges in the past few years. The company has been struggling with declining revenues, losing market share, and facing fierce competition from rivals like EA, Ubisoft, and Epic Games. The company has also been dealing with a series of scandals and lawsuits over allegations of sexual harassment, discrimination, and toxic work culture. Many of its top executives and developers have left the company or been fired. The company's stock price has plummeted by more than 40% since its peak in 2018. By selling to Microsoft, Activision Blizzard hopes to turn things around and benefit from Microsoft's resources, expertise, and vision. The company's CEO, Bobby Kotick, said that the deal will accelerate the company's growth across its portfolio of franchises and platforms and also create new opportunities for its talented employees. He also said that he believes that Microsoft will be a great partner for Activision Blizzard and that they share a common vision for the future of gaming and the metaverse. However, not everyone is happy about the acquisition. Some gamers and developers are worried that Microsoft will change or ruin their favorite games or make them exclusive exclusive to Xbox or Game Pass. Some regulators and lawmakers are concerned that the deal will reduce competition and innovation in the gaming industry and create a monopoly for Microsoft. Some activists and workers are skeptical that the deal will improve the working conditions and culture at Activision Blizzard or hold the company accountable for its past misconduct. What do you think about this deal? Do you think it's good or bad for gaming? How do you think it'll affect your favorite games or platforms? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.